Mugasomia omwanchu murigereria bwegetaseni kia Ndizi TV na kwareganire andonsi asoberete egere tunyara ko bato kwimanyia asenchira yobwenge na rare yagende tokoreka asenseto ya Kenya ase county ya Kisii na boigo Nyamira asenchira yobwenge asibali moto bwate gwetera emitandao tonyore Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube na boigo Ndizi TV News Digital abone ensemo ya Facebook na bali mogo tweet na bomogo korabo at Ndizi TV News gosase website ya www.ndizitv.or.ke gosase namba SMS abo ase TV yao koira nande asegekeke kerbosyo egeren kumanyenga nara liare ase litkulia lero litkulia Jumapili chitariki ne 21 motinyo gatano na gatatu umwaka w'ikiri w'Ibere na 2022. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita nule tukubwaterana komo sensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua auta tigatu ya chake korase county ya Nyamira abwasomo governor omoya omachore Amos Nyaribo anyariko baga kubolia abarwanereria bonsi bali kuligia ekiroge kia se county yo wesokia na kubwaterana asimero bulio yogo kinia county ya Nyamira kolengana na Nyaribo nigatebire bono obacholi bwaerire bitina binde byonsi mbiyo nengaki abaraibonsi bagochamo na koranga naki bagosukia county yo bosio tetonyore nkwana yaye asenchira yobwenge
yakule imeisha kama tulipasana huko nyuma waache hiyo maneno kufikiria watu yetu vile tutainua maisha yao. Mimi kama gavana na waalika wote
Nyirabano orabati orongo chirogo gochera asenchira yoboikira nugikorogense moya bono botuko chingakyo muliko itokoro ase county yo job maangi anyariko baga kokoroseria omugano ye Amos Nyaribo na kesabali ayobora yanyariko bage koba goikana inde anyariko bakago chorwa kobo mo governor omachore ase county yo wetera se kiama kia upa Oskabusio mancho murigereria omwaziri wechisemi Professor George Magoha nigobona atebira matemwa manene a KCPE na ria KCSE nigagochia kogendera gokoreka bunero bereirie amone serikali wetera se wizare yo nigoboigo aboliria balimu gotabaseria borokigwa bali babwate chi school fees abwasate biro bogimano bokongu na igo morokigwa onde bwensi tabaisa go seriwa nigaya koneta ya litkuli igoro asensemo ya Mombasa ase skuru ya secondary ya Bomu abwasa chiete koigora ebirasi biya via CBC.
The grace of God Almighty, it is our sincere prayer that the exam is done as it's scheduled. The exam is usually carried out just to see how much the child has. Nobody is expected to get 100%. And usually if the best child gets 60%, then you prorate downwards and they still move forward. Economy is extremely difficult for parents. And apart from a few parents who are a little bit cumbersome, the majority of them are struggling. So you must not send a child home between now and the end of the year unless serikali ni yako na wewe ndio president yako na kila kitu ni yako.
Chingakiechio Professor Magoha nigaburia Bible kwenekia nkwegeria bare abana babo chimbwa chingia chingakibaramo na barabwo ekero bakwira na chiskuru banyara ko baba kotwara chimbu echio chingia ayanigagocha magega yeskuru yabamura ya Kisumu abwase amagacho yoboraro anyara ko baga kubwata umuriro litkuli igoro mambia litkuli Jumamosi abwasa tabirenga onye abo tukibago korwa nego toka namna abarokigwa nabo bare maega yogosamba wechiskuru nigo bona baiboli babo barabetereriwe gocha kwagacha boya chisukuru echo nigo baigatebire chine chingaki chiaborokiwa kubekomokia na kwenekya buna nkuiranirira bare amasomo abo na gokora buya anene asibali bero beretie gocha goikaransa asamatemwa amanene.
The problem is with the parents. The problem is with the parents at home. If you think that by banning the school you will not do exams, you must not be wise, because you will do exams under the trees. That's how it's going to be. Don't bother about the children banning schools. If you ban a school, you will rebuild it.
Abarwanereria kurwase county ya Mombasa ne county ya Kakamega abo bakorigia ekerogo kyobo governor nigo bakagero cha kumirana ne kyombe kyobo choline chimbebe IEBC abo ankyo abo asebara chigo kwanera mange na gutware nkwana yeyemo aseyemo kurende korengana nensemo yabarai kurwase ensemo ya Mombasa abo bakorigia ekerogo ekyo nigo basingerire goteba buna ekyombe kyo kia IEBC nigo kibwenerete wikirania obochori obwarobereire gokoreka lituko gose bwarobereire gokoreka chitariki 23 asumutinyo yo abokorengana na barabwo magoha gose omonyakerogo obwekyombe kyobochori ne chimbebe IEBC Wafula Chebukati anyare ko baga kobosuka bosyo asentunde yende.
After serious deliberations, our insistence will be meeting or no meeting. We're just saying that we want these elections to be held.
Anytime we're ready to go for election. But it's sad that we are taking this country another wrong directions.
Chingaki echo omugavana bwe county ya Kakamega Wycliffe Oparanya nigo boigo eso kira sentunde ntanganike gima maiga yobocholi bonene gokorekana na gukwanira igoro yobocholi bwekerogo kyobo governor ase county yo obwanyara ko babo gosukiwa bosyo ase korengana nere abolire kyombe kyobocholi ne chimbebe IEBC kobeka na gokora obocholi obwo nigo baigatebire barabwo buna obomobwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya nigo bagochegweika ase kigambero eliokoligia gutanga ogotianiwa gose okoraliwa kwa Dr. William Ruto buna omurayo gatano omochore asense ya Kenya asibagoteba bocholi obwo gosokobarwa wechikura ngokolirie asenchera yobwasioku.
Tunaambia IBC sisi watu wa Kakamega tunataka uchaguzi tarehe 23 mwezi August vile ilikuwa imepangwa, na tumeenda kotini kulazimisha hao wafanye uchaguzi wa governor hapa Kakamega. Na pia kule juu wakati sisi tulikuwa tunatafuta kura, wengi walikuwa kazi yao ni kupanga vile wataiba kura, na nimesikia yale imefanyika. Kwa hivyo kesho vile mmeambiwa tunaenda kotini, mimi nitakuwa kule kesho kusindikiza wale wanaenda kotini kuona ya kwamba haki inafanyika, na tumefanya hesabu, tulipata kura milioni 1 zaidi.
Omorai bwense omochore Dr. William Ruto nigatebire buna neribya abamereria babo koba asukuligereria emerobelio ye serikali ya Kenya Kwanza goseko oversight kolengana na Ruto nigatebire chine chingaki che serikali kuligereriwa bunanaki ekogendia emerobelio yabo na kuruwa bokorelio byago chia asaba Kenya abonsi. Ruto nigaya kwaneta ya litukuligoro chingaki alikobekese yo koiwana amona barai korase kiama kia UDM imemocho Nairobi abwigoro asatebire nigobale no mogoko gocha koraense ya Kenya na gwikira nyonsi alibaliyeteira anene kwenekia buna omorobelio o bottom up economic approach model onyari ko bako gochaka okoregasi eliaba Kenya kogokera amatunda yobokoreri bwabo.
We need to begin to build the team that will help us deliver on the mandate that we have been given by the people of Kenya. We have no intention whatsoever to limit the capacity of our competitors to provide oversight over our administration. We are looking forward to a robust engagement We are looking forward to our competitors providing oversight so that the people of Kenya can get value for the resources we have. They can get value for the vote, for their votes, by making sure that we have a government that delivers.
Chingaki echio bono elietalia ya Moses Wetangula oyoro murai wikiama kia Ford Kenya nigo bono liacholetwe wechakoba omonogelio monene bwe bunge enene eyo ngati emerobelio bomo bwa Kenya kwanza bagendrete kubeka na korabuna banyorre chinguru chinene ase chinyomba echio Ibere ebunge enene na boigo ebunge ya Senate abo asibatagete gotwara chinguru na kwenekia buna oborai bwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza nkoba buri bya asamatuko agocha.
People will make choices. If they are wrong choices, they are their choices. They are not yours. So don't lecture anybody about mundane provisions of the law that are inimical to inconsistency with the Constitution.
We are so happy to associate with you. A good and courageous decision made yesterday, or made today, or made tomorrow shall remain and be recognized as a courageous decision.
Chingaki echio ansemo ya barai korwase kiama kia UDM amone bya mabinde ebyo byabegete seyo koigwana gokora emiremo na Kenya kwanza nigo batebire nigo barenge kunererigwa na gotamanywa asobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja kolengana na Ali Roba oyoro maraiwe kiama kia UDM nigatebire asensemo ya Azimio la Umoja mbale kwa wachingaki eliokorwa ebirengereri byabo buna ekemogie kiama biribirose tiobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja nigo baigalie teira na goteba buna barai korwase kiama ekio kia UDM nigo bagocha okore mirimo na Kenya kwanza asekolengana nere atebire ngamba bwate seyo koigwana asobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja kulende goikari tukuri igoro chinga kibabegete seyo amo na William Ruto oyotenenerete obomo bwa Kenya kwanza.
Was never trusted. On the other side, I was always told this guy is a mole representing Ruto in this arrangement. The windows were closed, the doors closed, engagements.
Nara yo asibono mwanchu muligerelia kulende na inde chikoraga chinsa ikomicha bono maragoba no chiko ya nyora yo amana yanda mange asenchira yo wenge kulende to baisogoska kwa Ndizi TV na robwansu bomusi na inde nigo to wakangambi ya mono asibali mwensi mwatu bwatire wetera senchira ye mitandao Ndizi TV News Digital abon Facebook na baigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube oyonekia buna chibicha na maliogi agwikira senchira yobo toera rukigima nigakoro kwa Omosai Jmo no lyoto watera nakomo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na intinako yaletera senchira yobwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita